Hey guys, it's Jim Chandler here with Rock Your Best Vocals again. This is to answer a question from Bilgesu Unalan from Turkey. Thank you very much for writing a comment on the Dave Grohl song that I did. I think I did a little bit of just a snippet of how to sing like Dave Grohl. And yes, it is just with compression. Now, the compression, here's the secret to the compression. It's not really much of a secret, but we've probably all used compression at one time or another. Say, for example, if you stub your toe, and I'm kind of leaning over like this because I don't have the stand here on the phone, so if it looks funny if I'm like kind of going up and down, that's because I'm kind of bending my knee. But if anybody's ever like stubbed your toe or hurt yourself and you're trying to kind of not make a huge amount of noise, you're compressing. So imagine if you stub your toe and you're like, ah! You hurt your foot or something, or like if you work out and you're on like the last rep of a workout and you're just like, ugh! You're like pushing through the last rep. So that's what it is. So you take a deep breath and you push out, and if you just hold your breath, it's kind of like holding your breath going underwater. So you just and you can get even that little bit of a gurgle there. You can hear the little gurgle there where Dave Grohl, I got another confession to make. You hear that little gurgle, okay? So, and if you want to transition back and forth, through those, you kind of just let up a little bit on the compression. Still try to hold your breath and not let a lot of air out, because that's just proper breath control. So, it's times like these you learn to live again. It's times like these you give and give again. It's times like these you learn to love. Okay, so when you transition to the, stub your toe, the compression part. It's times like these you learn to live again. It's times like these, time and time again. So you just hold your breath, okay, and you could, I don't know if you can see, but you actually might get a little bit lightheaded. So be careful when you're practicing this, because you might get a little bit lightheaded, because what you're doing is you're holding your breath, you're not letting a lot out, so there's a lot of oxygen and air in your lungs that's trying to push its way out, but you're not really letting it out. You're just letting just enough out to get that, it's times like these you learn to live again. So it really sounds like you're like shouting, but you're not really shouting. You can tell there's not a whole lot of difference in volume because I'm just compressing the sound. It's times like these, I could even, let me just try to do it a little quiet. It's times like these, time and time again. So you're just kind of just trying to let just a little bit out, just a little bit of noise out, just to get the, and that also helps with the, wow, when he does the screams, like, best of you, someone get it, the best, the best, the best, the best, oh, the best of you, wow, just that big deep breath, wow. And I did another video there on metal screaming. Is it easy to do or not? You can do it. Everybody can do it. Just practice. All you do is practice. But it's holding the breath in, get that compression, and I hope that helped. Guys, please hit a like and subscribe and comment down below if that helped, or if you want any other tips or anything else I can help on. Always glad to help. Help you guys get screaming in the right direction, okay? So thanks very much again for the question. I hope you guys have a great day and a great weekend. Rock your best vocals. Thanks. Is someone getting the best, the best, the best, the best of you? Wow!